Just coming in backwards to the meet. Come on. Hey, this way. Keep going. A little more. Straight. All right, guys, so you know how we're supposed to start this, you know. Normally we in the car, and I'm on the way to the meet. Today, we are already here.
Cars and Sunset.
Cars and Sunset.
Yeah.
And he rolled up hard. I'm gonna have to show you this R32 sedan that he's in, but you know how this goes. Like the very first one, like this, you know. All right, and we're gonna run through the rest of this, and we're gonna have some fun. Let me know what you think. All right.
Street Fighter, bro.
Ah. Yeah, it's cool. Porsche?
Yeah.
I swear, bro, dude, the Euro meets in high road is...
Maybe. This is gonna be my daily. This is what I need for a daily right here is an FD. On some works. It looks good. Yeah, wing is, look at how massive the wing is.
Look at
the rear spoiler.
Ends, how the ends like
yeah,
body.
That. It's good though.
That should not... Don't put that!
That's what yeah.
Like, I'm scared.
You're like, oh shit, what'd I do?
Yeah, I was like, bro, I just showed up.
All right, let's see if my gimbal wants to behave. The car looks so little.
It does, like look.
Dumped out little.
Like,
look at. That's funny.
let's like to.
Yeah. It looks. Oh, it is a 326 wing.
It looks like a 350Z wing.
No, this is the one that they like to put on like the S13s.
And they come low to the body.
Yeah. They put them on those. I mean, they fit on a bunch of stuff. The FD, the white FD, I've seen it on.
Yeah. And
that's all
like
dumped out.
Embossed. It's like raised.
Yeah.
That's pretty sick.
On some Meisters, all dumped out.
And low key, this parking lot sucks. This is not good lighting.
Nah, the lighting's bad.
Yeah.
That's all right. It looks good though. I actually like it, man. Like,
it's really clean.
That's the thing. Like, it's all bagged out. It's not my style, but the thing is the build itself is super clean.
Yeah. This is pretty sick.
Yeah.
Is this? I know, he's all ashamed of his car. What
I
the
know.
heck? Why?
I don't know.
It's pretty sick.
I like it with the underglow.
Okay. Oh, it's the Works Here Archives. Where's the homie Ed?
I know. I told him to come out. I
Yeah.
sent him some photos. I was like, dude, come on out. Then this was the other guy.
Yeah. Look at this. Just a good 890 on some like Toyota Rav wheels. They're not stocks.
I don't know what wheels those are.
Oh, okay. Just a good J30.
It looks good.
I had a TL.
Did
Bought
you?
one for $400.
Damn.
Well, because the rear end was smashed. Let's just say there was no trunk.
You've had every car.
I have. Just not a CRX.
You've had, really?
Yeah, I've never owned one.
I've had 4 of those.
Never had an EF.
I've
never
had
a
4
CRX.
CRXs. 4.
I've had 10.
Every time I move, I would buy one. I would
It's the most practical thing.
I would leave the one I
Look at
had.
that. Look at this Miata. It's actually nicer than our boy.
It is nicer than theirs.
Yes, unfortunately.
Man, I am not gonna get a good comment from them
Who cares?
Because-
They don't even
because
like
you
watch
were-
all the way.
because you were
Yeah.
fucking.
If you're watching all the way, say something. Because you know how it is, that retention.
So we're talking a little smack about some of our buddies that and their cars because they didn't come out today, and we invited them out today, and we told them it was just up the street, come on out, and they didn't come out. So
It would have been nice
We're-
if they did that parking
we're
lot.
giving them
but-
a little grief. But oh look, Miata's rolling out.
Get it rolling.
You see he's on bags. Got the bread seats.
You got it, bro. Don't stall. Just kidding. It's auto. Hey, the SDK.
Yeah.
Where the heck you at, D Chafin? That's how I sound.
Right? That's exactly.
annoying.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Look at his
there.
license plate.
What?
What?
That's the homie right there.
That's
Something 60 tag. Getting a little whopper.
That's fun.
What year Rex is this? I know they do different corner lights or different, or is that just the EFs?
No, they did 2 generations of the corner lights.
Type C's I can dig.
Yeah.
Because isn't there a way to tell that it's on since the seatbelt's in?
It's either pillar mounted versus
actually in the door mounted.
the seat. Yeah.
That's sick.
Or the door.
SI.
That's cool.
No one likes SIs because they're heavier. Because
Alright.
electronic everything.
I'm down for SI.
I just think
But you get the sunroof. But then it rusts out and everything else.
It's pretty cool. I'm not mad. But
So for just a little like pop-up type meet, this is actually pretty fun, and there's a bunch of like random cars that come up.
turn the camera. So what kind of car is that? That white one.
Cornet, a
It almost
Fairlane,
seems like a Falcon or something.
a Falcon. Oh yeah, a
But
Falcon.
look at the wheels.
But they're
But like it's 2 different eras.
yeah. All right, we'll go look at it.
I just
Come on,
thought
let's
that
go
was
look at it.
funny. Like I was like, dude, that's pretty cool. They look good on there.
He's got a set of BBSs on it.
On an American car.
It's a Ford Falcon.
Yeah.
Okay, we were right about that.
It looks good on it though. It's just funny.
It does look good.
That's why I was like, yo.
Like it fits really good.
It's like this is like old school cars, and then like,
Yeah.
and then you never see those a convertible Z.
It's because they never survive a drift day.
They just don't survive.
I know. Oh
Most
shit.
of the people that own them are like
He's
ladies.
gonna get run over. All right, BMW getting out of here. But anyway, so this was like a little pop-up here in the parking lot, as you saw over in the other section. Like they actually were really well organized, had the cars laid out. had some extra lighting, everything else. I mean, yeah, it's actually pretty cool. There's a lot of good cars that just kind of rolled through. The 13 I just showed you over there, you could hear it was all welded. That was all drift spec'd.
Cool. It's all kitted.
Yeah, it's got extra.
Like vents and stuff.
Yeah,
And
so
real wheels.
that's cool. And then had a couple right-hand drives show up, a couple dumped out cars, a couple
EM1.
stanced. EM1. Oh, you know how we feel about the EM1. We definitely like that. Yeah, we definitely like that one. FD. I mean, a lot of good cars just for a little, like, yeah. I was thinking like, you know, a dozen cars or whatever and be done with it. And they're kind of rolling through. Everybody's behaving themselves, so the meat will keep up for now. If anything else shows up, I'll show you guys. Otherwise, I hope you all enjoyed. As always, I appreciate you. Thank you for the support. We're gonna be doing something real special with this guy and one of his cars. One of them. Yeah. Just to start one of them. Yeah. Maybe we'll just do a whole series on just him and all his stupid cars. I mean, all his really good cars. Didn't mean stupid. My bad. My bad.
It's all good.
I'm gonna have to cut that so he doesn't get mad at me. But anyways. All right. I hope you all enjoyed. Leave a comment below. If it's your first time on my channel, welcome. Comment, subscribe, like, all that good stuff, and we'll keep having some fun. All right. See you guys. Thanks.